Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can quickly unfreeze your Patelco Credit Union account with simple, effective steps. If you found your Patelco Credit Union account frozen unexpectedly, it can be stressful, but don't worry, fixing it can be straightforward. When you know what steps to take, first verify the reason behind the freeze, which could be due to suspicious activity, overdue payments, or account verification issues. Start by logging into your online Patelco account or the mobile app to check any notifications or alerts that explain the freeze. If nothing is clear, promptly contact Patelco Credit Union customer service through their official phone line or secure messaging, as they can provide exact details on why your account is frozen and what you need to do next. Often you will be asked to verify your identity, which might include providing recent government-issued ID proof of address or answering security questions. Have these documents handy to speed up the process. If the freeze relates to suspicious transactions, review your recent account activity together with the representative and report any unauthorized transactions. If necessary, they may temporarily block certain features or issue new cards to protect your account. Next, follow all instructions given by the customer support carefully, whether it's settling overdue balances, submitting required paperwork, or updating your account information. Compliance is key to unfreezing the account without delays. Sometimes Patelco may require you to visit a branch in person for identity verification or signature confirmation, so prepare to visit your nearest branch if requested. Once all verification and any required payments or updates are completed, your account will be unfrozen. You should then change your passwords and update any related security settings to prevent future freezes. Additionally, regularly monitoring your account and setting up alerts can help you catch suspicious activities early and keep your account in good standing. By taking these step-by-step actions calmly and promptly, you can resolve your Patelco Credit Union account freeze efficiently, ensuring your financial access is restored smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.